Hi guys, today I'm gonna be making a slime smoothie the slime smoothie challenge. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slimes I am going to be mixing, and I don't know if some of them are sticky because I haven't played with some of them for a while, and yeah. So I'm going to be using this little cup. I'm not going to use all of the slime. I'm just going to use a little piece off of them. And yeah. So the first one I have is this foam slime. Gotta get this open. These containers are sometimes very hard to open. And sometimes this one gets really sticky for some reason. I don't know why, like under it and on the sides, it gets really sticky and it's gonna be hard to grab it. So taking like that much and adding it. That to the bottom of the cup. Maybe a little bit more do the trick. Okay, so there's my first slime. On to the second one. So the second one I just made this earlier, and it has glitter in it, and it's has like, what do you want to call it? It's like snowy stuff, but it's not actually snow. It's like some kind of like activator, but I use it as snow and it doesn't do anything. It does good for snow if you wanted snowy slime. Like really good for snowy slime. Okay. So here's what it looks like so far in there. That's what it looks like. And on to the next one. So the next one I made a while ago. It was not close to right now. I think I made this one like last year. I got it for the stuff to make it for Christmas. It was like this unicorn slime goop stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna put right, let's see, put like this much in there, shove that in there, that's what it looks like, and then I'm gonna be taking it out and playing with it once I'm done making the slime smoothie. Okay, so this is my favorite slime I have because it's really big, and here, I'll just show you guys it. So that I just made the top layer earlier, so I'm just gonna take some off the top layer. That is so satisfying. Okay, maybe take a little bit off that. There, shove that in there. So my other slime smoothie. I have 2 more slimes to do, and then yeah. So next I have this one. I have a feeling this one is going to be very sticky. It's not that sticky actually. I'm just gonna see if I can get a piece out of there, so it doesn't start to stick all over my hands. Grab a little bit more. For some reason, I don't like mixing a lot of slime together because then it's just one big glob of slime, and then what if you don't like it? And it feels really weird. Okay, so this is the last one I'm going to be mixing. It's a jiggly slime. Very jiggly slime. Really. Sort of sticky too. Jiggly. Add that to the top. And then there was actually just enough room for all of them. And now I'm going to be getting them out and playing with them. So this is actually on my brother's channel, but he lets me vlog on his, like do stuff on his channel. So here's what it looks like. It's a actually very nice consistency. And the other ones I think I put in were just fluffy slimes, in case you wanted to do this. Well, it's actually turning pink. A little bit blue in there, right there. Whoa, this is so cool. Listen guys. That's such a cool sound. Passes the poking test. Doesn't pass the stretching test. Passes the poking test. Does not pass the stretching test, so then it would probably not pass the bubble test. Or, I don't think it would. Yeah, see? It's not really like a sticky slime, consistency slime either. It's very nice slime. I'm gonna put this back in the cup, and then I'm gonna go see if there's any more slimes I can get to mix. So I'm just gonna put this back in the cup, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I found a whole bunch of other slimes. So now I'm gonna be adding 5 more slimes to this. I think I might need a new cup. If I do, I will go grab another one. Hey! My dog is down there beside me in her bed. So the first one I'm going to be putting in is this one. It's a very weird consistency because I put a lot of that, like, that snowy stuff in it, and it got really gross. It almost went in my eye. Okay, that's enough. Oh my gosh, I'm scared now. Hey! Hey, what do you have? What is that? Show me what you have. Hold on, I gotta take care of my dog real quick. What do you have? This is my doggy. This is my dog. She always gets into stuff that she shouldn't really have. So that's why you gotta keep a good eye on her. Okay, I think I'm good. So just put that in there, and then I'm gonna shut this up. She's going back over there. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, then I have this slime to put in. It's also a jiggly slime. It's green. I did make it like a vest thingy. But I made it like a while ago. She took my mom's shoe. She likes to chew on people's shoes too. So that's why you gotta keep a good eye on her, so she doesn't chew anyone else's shoes. And when we have guests over, she'll choose shoes. She thinks she's cool. She thinks she's a very cool dog. Next, I have this foot putty. I did not make it, but just gonna mix it in. Oh yeah, I have a few other stuff for you too. Okay. I'm only adding a little tiny bit of that because that is sticky. You can tell. So I have this other flip side. Put that back in. Slime smoothie is getting really big. I was looking to see if there was anything. This smells terrible, you guys. I hate the smell of it. It smells so gross. That's way too much. Slime smoothie looks like this so far. Yeah, it's almost full up to the top. Well, it is up to the top. I just need to add 1, 2, 3, 4 more slimes in to it. I'm gonna go grab another cup thing, so I'll be right back. So I found this frozen cup that I can use. This can pop off too if I would like it to, but I don't want it to. I gotta get this out of here again. Okay, so it looks really cool. Look at that. It's really cool. And I'm just going to set that in there and push it down. Okay. Here's that. I don't need that cup anymore. Okay, now I'm going to do this floor putty. It's also a very weird consistency. I think it's like lime. And it's like leaking water. Ew, that's gross. Ew. It's gooey. Gooey. Ew. It's really gooey slime. I never knew floor putties could do that. Are you itching? My dog's itching herself. It's not permanently my dog. It's mostly like my dog though, because it's just my grandma's dog. She lets her come over every week. And she's so cute. This is a really weird slime too. I haven't played with it for a while and it's been in my closet and now it looks like that. Like that. It's really weird. Put that on the top. Now I'm gonna close this thing up. And I don't think that slime dries out that easily. It takes it a long time to dry out. These two last ones are like super sticky. Like, I don't even want to touch them sticky. Well, I guess that one's not that bad, not half bad, but it's still sticky. Because the last one, I haven't played with it since like June last year. June. Yeah, I haven't played with it for a while. And I still have it. And it doesn't look like it just dried out, it just looks watery. So this is my last one. Look how watery that is. It's gonna get everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so gooey and sticky. See, that's what I mean, you guys. Never, ever, ever, ever do this. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. Gross, 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 gross. Okay, I think I got it all off my hands. See, and if you don't like play with it, and you just let it sit on your hand, then it will get very sticky. Oh, sticky, sticky, sticky. So here's what it looks like. It's gonna look very colorful, I bet. Slime. Okay, just keep mixing this up. Okay, it's gonna look very colorful, I can tell already. But I think that this like brown color is gonna make it gross. Very gross color. Hey, Coco! Coco! Hi, boobies! Hi, boobies! Hi, boobies! I have some slime. Yeah, she does not like the smell of slime. Come here! She runs away from me all the time. So there it is. It's a very nice slime. Maybe it'll fit in this container, actually. No. It'll never fit in that container, even in a million years. There. Okay. So there's my final slime. I'm gonna go look for more stuff because I just love mixing slimes now. It just made my life way better. Okay, so I'll be right back. I did not find any. I have a ton of slimes at my grandma's house, and I really need to bring them back here to my new house. And yeah. So we're going to be making some slimes without what we need is school glue, shaving foam, and saline solution. And a mixing bowl and spoon, which I'm going to use this to mix with. And I need a spoon. I think I might actually have some more slimes. Let me go look. I forgot the most important thing you need for the slime. Some hand sanitizer to make these slimes smell good. And I'm knocking a whole bunch of things over down there. And we're going to add some color into it. And beads. I've got my color upstairs. I'll have to go grab it once we're done making the slime. And I need a mixing tool. Let me go look for a mixing tool real quick. I got some pink and purple dye, a spoon, and some gems. So let's get started to making this slime. I gotta hurry up because I don't want my time to run out. And then we have to make our part two. Because then when the storage is all up, can't make anything else. So put that over there. Bring this cup over here. And just rip and pour this into there. I used almost all of my glue on making slime, so this is my last bit of glue that I have. So I'm just gonna do that. I will come back when this is all done running. It's all done running, and I'm gonna add some shaving cream in now. Hurry up. Open up the shaving cream. Oh, time to mix. Add food coloring in. Then add sanitizer. 4 drops sanitizer, 2 drops of food coloring. Add solution. Mix it. I am the one, the only one that doesn't need guns to get respect up on the streets. Wash your hands. Add more solution. Add shaving cream. Well, since the camera is ready to shut off, I would like to thank you all for watching my videos, and if you want to watch more of my videos, go to Kelsey Brumbaugh, because that's my YouTube channel. And yeah. So I gotta go and mix my slime because it looks like nothing. So I gotta keep mixing it, and I will be back with part 2. My Musical.ly account is EvaB2009. So go check out my Musical.lys, like them, like for like. Goodbye guys, love you.